Second topic of Module 4 is cycle time reduction. We talked about cycle time in process metrics and we compared it with talk time. I said if cycle time is longer than talk time, it's problematic and one business has to do every effort to reduce it. And we'll consider how to reduce it in this part. Cycle time is defined as the amount of the time needed to complete a single task and to move it forward in the process. Cycle time may differ by task, but to make the line flow, all operations must be completed under a given talk time. Advantage of cycle time reduction is plenty. It increases customer satisfaction, reduce internal and external waste, increase capacity, simplify operations, reduce product damage, remain competitive. Also, there are methods, many methods to reduce the cycle time, and one can consider making a process U-shape or L-shape, C-shape, or straight line. In a hypothetical situation, current process in a workplace layout might look like a spaghetti flow. The idea is to arrange the production line using either a U-shape, L-shape, C-shape, or straight line arrangement in order to create continuous flow. The various lines must reduce the distance traveled by the part, reduce the amount of work in progress inventory between stations, and still meet the required talk time. Here's the process after improvement. The flow looks like a U shape. In this shape, only three operations are managing the process. Um, Moreover, the operators inside over here are staying together. The exchange of communications among them is higher than before. They may opt for switching or rotating their roles as well. The collaboration and collegial culture increase rapidly as a result of the process improvement. The cycle time, therefore, drops significantly due to this process improvement. So I would strongly encourage you to consider to change the layout to be more cohesive and collaborative like this. Let's go over this question together. One would say that continuous flow manufacturing A. Increases product damage. B. Requires more storage and transport. C. Increases cycle time. D. Provides mechanisms to solve other production problems. Um, and the answer is, of course, C. Increases cycle time. By making a continuous flow, you are aiming to increase the cycle time.